Okay, guys. So here's a brief commentary on the economics of gold diggers and pickup artists. And it's kind of like pot and cigarettes and alcohol. If you want to consume pot, I call it pot. I don't need it for medical reasons, so I call it pot. Um, if you want to consume pot, tobacco, alcohol, keep it in your own lungs. Put it in your own lungs. Put it in your own belly. All right. You want to eat hamburgers or you're vegan, put it in your own belly. All right. So that's sort of like the politics of gold diggers and pickup artists. It's the opposite. It's more like misery loves company. All right. And why is that? And as one gentleman said, now it's total meme. It's a philosophical question. Just like how we used up disingenuous. That's my name. Don't wear it out, but we wore the shit out of it. Disingenuous. Now we're gonna wear the shit out of. That's a philosophical question. We're gonna wear the shit out of it. That's my name. We're gonna wear the shit out of it. It's the opposite. It's misery loves company, and what they're looking for. All right, and you can attest to this. I'm gonna bet that you can attest to this. Is that just freebies? All right, because a regular person, all right, lives under someone else's um, kindness, their parents or their guardian or something, and then they look for opportunity in order to acquire their own kindness, their ability in order to acquire the ability to be kind. That's why when you're starving, you're not kind. When you're dirty and hot and thirsty, you are not kind. It is impossible. You might be kind just to walk away, but it is impossible to spend the whole day being kind when you're hungry, thirsty, and dusty with somebody. The whole day, just being very kind. It's impossible. All right, for the rest of your life. So we start under someone's kindness, a parent, a guardian, right? We work to acquire our own ability to be kind. What does that mean? Acquire. It's everything that they provided for us. A house, savings. So when they make fun of like housewives who clip coupons, say, why are you saving it for? What are you saving money for? You might, your husband might be a working stiff, and you might work at Walgreens or something. What are you saving money for? Live it up. They don't know. You got your kindness, right? The more money you save, the bigger that kindness gets for your period, right? All right. And so these gold diggers, these pickup artists, they're always in the middle. Maybe they got kicked out of where they were from. Maybe they left. Maybe they're still there. Maybe they go back to it at night. But they're always in the middle. They haven't reached the third step, which is just to be able to acquire your own kindness. And that's really A-list. That's why it's kind of the economics of Hollywood is kind of funny. Some TV stars richer than movie stars. It's very funny. Cause every time you make a movie is sort of like a big gamble. You only you got one shot and that's it. TV series goes on for 10 years. You make $100,000 a week. Ooh, for 10 years, $100,000 a week. Maybe your brother-in-law is a banker. Maybe your sister is an accountant, like a real certified general practitioner. Woo! $100,000 a week for 10 years? Woo! You're bigger than some movie stars. This is like bomb, 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 bomb. All right. Some movie stars still stuck at step number 2. Some TV stars at number 3. And then some housewives clipping coupons at number 3 because the more money she saves, the bigger her kindness gets. Some flash players, flashy play pickup artists, gold diggers, whoo, still stuck at number 2. At night, they might have to go home to number 1. Whoo! That's my brief commentary on being rich.